Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in the front of you is my KTM 300 with over 600 hours. So TBI bike, smooth power, yeah, bottom end is not the best, but today I'm going to test something different. So TBI conversion kit. So this kit is from Bosnia, small company, MS Performance. So the guys from this company, they send me this for free for testing, so it's nothing paid, it's totally free. So you have on the top 2 holes for the injectors. And what is the difference between this and other kits? So this kit is spreading fuel in the front, so to the cylinder, and it's not having the holes of the fuel on the down. So this company states this is more better, more linear and more power. So, but we need to test it. So in kit you get 2 blocks to close the holes of the injectors. Then you get a fuel connecting part to the hose, small part of the hose, clamps, O-ring. So I know how the bike is behaving on TPI, and I'm really looking forward to test this kit and talk more about it. So these guys told me you can remove the oil pump and use premix with this. And I'm thinking about changing to the premix, but I'm going to think about it. So let's install the kit on the bike. So I washed the bike before this video and still is looking so messy. But this is the Enduro, so it's never clean like new, so trust me guys. So now guys, I removed the front pipe, rear exhaust, fuel tank also. And I checked also the piston inside this exhaust hole, because in extreme stuff you overheat the bike, ride on the full throttle. We are not easy on the bikes. So it's really must to check the bike condition really often, so you don't get some engine failure or something really bad. So sometimes remove the pipe, check everything, and that's the part of the game. So now brake cleaner to clean everything before disassembling. So guys, this is the old version of the fuel injection, TPI. So right and left sides of the cylinder. So now we have left these holes. So in these holes I'm going to install the blocks which are going to block air leaking inside the cylinders. And that's it. And then I need to remove also the reeds and install the this block on the reeds. So now I have removed the reeds from the intake. So this is the throttle body. So new generation TBIs, you have injectors on the throttle body. But this bike is old, so we are doing the conversion to the TPI. So now what I need to do is to remove the injectors from the stock hoses and put it inside this special plate, and that's it. So this is almost the finished product. So I have injectors in the plate, also the reeds are on the plate. So today I'm going to ride this beast. So first start of the TBI. And guys, to be honest, the biggest thing what I have noticed with this conversion kit from TPI to TBI, I think is the grip. So because the engine is not more any aggressive, I think the rear wheel is making more traction on the ground. And yeah, but the engine behavior is really similar, so it's not like changing to a different bike. So if you are scared you don't get used, it's not the case. It's really easy. So I think this engine is more easy to behave than the TPI. And yeah guys, first review about 1 hour, 2 hours of riding. I can feel the power is more linear, more smooth, maybe more power in the bottom end, but I can feel I lose some power in the top end. So before, when I want to open the third gear full open, now when I open it I can feel I don't have the same power. In first, in second, almost same. So the bike is not jerky, nothing special. So for now I like the system. And now I still use oil in the tank. So the steel bike is separating oil and fuel, but in the future I want to test premix and then also remove the oil and to see the difference. I think also the premix with the oil is lubricating more better the engine, and yeah, maybe also the behaving of the engine is going to be different. So on the idle screw, now it's about 1.5 turns from full closed to opened, and before on the TPI version I had, I think, on two circles. So yeah, that's small difference on the tuning, but how the bike behaves, I really like it. And yeah guys, that is for today. So I'm really happy with the TBI conversion kit. So for now the engine is behaving really good, more smooth, more power in the bottom end, less power on the top end. But yeah, that's it. So comment and see you to the next time.